Injection molding is one of the most common manufacturing processes used in the industry. We are surrounded of plastic parts in our kitchen, computer devices, mobile phones.
Finding the right configuration of the so-called 3Ms, material, molds, and molding machines can be a challenge. If it's done wrong, you're gonna leave yourself open to a lot of part and mold design rework. That's common, and when it happens, the cost can be excessive.
Redesigning is really costly and time-consuming and often leads to last-minute compromises in the performance of the part as well.
Simulation is best done early and often throughout the whole design process. As soon as you're starting to get the design, you really do a quick manufacturability check early and then continue to do those checks as the design evolves.
Inspire Mold builds on the manufacturing capabilities that we have in casting, forming, 3D printing, and extrusion in Inspire today. It's our latest manufacturing simulation edition, and it enables both part designers and mold designers to simulate the injection molding process from the early concept stages of part design to the final detailed stage near the end, including filling, packing, cooling, shrinking, and more.
I've had a lot of experience with injection molding in the past, and when I first saw Inspire Mold, I was very impressed with both the ease of use and the speed of the solution.
It's fully 3D, so it doesn't rely on 2D simplifications, and yet it can solve a complex molding problem, often in minutes instead of hours.
And the interface is much more intuitive than competing products, so users can get up and running quickly.
Everything is transparent for the user. You don't need to do any complex setup. You don't need to have a specific knowledge on finite element analysis to perform any kind of simulation inside the Inspire platform.
Inspire Mold is intended primarily for part and mold designers. That being said, because it's so friendly and fast, it is democratizing the use of injection molding simulation in the design process.
Now, designers can make use of simulation technology to have a better communication with manufacturing people. Now we can produce better parts with better quality.
Inspire is the leading product on the market for doing early design optimization. Leveraging Altair's powerful manufacturing constraints and simulation capabilities makes a big difference.
Inspire Mold is a truly democratization of simulation.
By simulating the manufacturing process right from the concept stages of design, they can account for any of the issues that may arise later. They can account for them early in the design process.
We can improve the manufacturing process to avoid defects, to reduce rejection rates, and to improve the quality of the parts we are producing. We can decrease the time to market, we can improve the performance of the part, and we can reduce the scraps. At the end, we are reducing cost.
I really think that Inspire is positioned in a great way to provide valuable insight across a broad range of manufacturing processes.